In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the driver's side seatbelt receiver. It is located on the driver's side hip under the seat on an F-150. To remove this receptacle, driver's side, we're going to have to take the seat, bench seat, move it all the way forward. Then you can grab the back lever, move the seat forward so you can access the back. So you're going to follow that receptacle down to the floor, and you're going to find the mounting screw right here. It is a T50 Torx bit, and you're also going to have an electrical connector. You're going to need to disconnect that. You have the tab right there. You can put your thumbnail in or a small screwdriver, and then pull it. Disconnect it. So before I take the Torx bit bolt out, I'm going to take this restrainer cable out so I have better access back here. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. And it's like an anchor. We'll be able to get this seat to go forward so much more. There we go. Now with my T50 Torx bit, I'm going to put it on the head of the bolt. Use a 1/2-inch gun. There it is. I'm going to clean that up before I put that back in. We're going to torque it to factory specs. Now you can grab the male seatbelt retractable and pull that back. So I'm going to take the seatbelt retractable and I'm going to just guide it right down through. Make sure it goes under that bar. It's poked out on this side. There's 2 bases to this, as you can see. Get that electrical connector all the way out. Gotta connect that electrical connector, line up the design, and click it in. Find the 2 bases. The one with the angle goes on the top. Now the bolt has a shank to it. So I'm gonna put some thread lock on this. It is a seat belt. Put these 2 together, line them up, put the bolt through, find the hole, clear it of any debris the best you can, line it up. I'm going to get my T50 Torx bit. I'm going to start this by hand. Okay, I gotta get the air gun or electric gun. I'm gonna snug it up, then I will torque it to the factory spec. The torque spec is 56 foot-pounds. Now we can put this cable back. All right, now we can let the seat back. I'm gonna grab the, push it back. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.